to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I am all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse of you. But now you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Lights up my whole world. I feel the world inside. Your love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. The times that you rain in my parade, and all the clubs you get and you sing my name. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, wait, I ain't. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care and don't. But you still hit my phone up. Maybe I've been moving on, and I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. If you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. And when you told me that you hated my friend, magmula nang makita kay nakita ko, simple lang na tulad mo ang pinapangarap ko, ang pangarap ko. Kaya't sana'y maibigan mo ang awit kong ito para sa'yo. Dahil simple lang ang pangarap ko, mahalin ang katulad mo, sana'y mapansin mo. Dahil simple lang ang pangarap ko, maging ikaw at ako ang tanging ligaya ko. Simpleng tulad mo. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Alam mo ba na lalo kang gumaganda, sinta? Sa simple na katulad mo, ako'y nahulog na nga. Lahat ay gagawin ko para mapaibig ka.